Hi, welcome to A1 Auto. This is 2006 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter. I'm gonna replace today accessories bell, serpentine bell, whatever. So I'm gonna replace that today. Let me show you how to do that. Very simple. To open the tire, there's a 21 millimeter for the lug nut. When you go in here, see this? There's a 14 millimeter right there. See my finger right there. It's 14. What's in here when I pull it? Oops. See, this bell is loose now. See there? So it's better you have somebody like 2%. Somebody will from the top just take the bell from the alternator, and it will be very easy. Just when you put it back, the same thing again. Put everything and pull this like this, and put it back. So you should have the diagram somewhere in here on the accessories bell or somewhere in here. I don't see anywhere. So you can get on the order menu, or you search on Google Nissan Altima 2006 2.5 liter. So it's pretty simple. Just take this, just slip from here. See, when you loose it out the belt, just take it from here and end up somebody pull this tensioner, and you have to just put it back like this. That's it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.